How's it going, everyone? Back at it. I just got back from my home time. I was home for 7 days. Enjoyed it. Got a lot of stuff done. I didn't get to relax a lot. That's usually what happens when you're out on the road for as long as you are. When you get back home, of course, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. But I did enjoy my time. I got to see my friends, got to see my family, and got some stuff done. But we're back out here. We're trucking again, and I'm going to be out 26 days this time, and this is day one. And I'm going to do a series. So, like I said, this is day one, episode one, whatever you want to call it, and we're just going to keep tracking all the way down until I get home. And hopefully we get through this month safely, God willing, everything goes good. I always say that because you never know, but that's the plan. And watch, enjoy, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Tell me what I'm doing good, tell me what I'm doing bad, tell me what you'd like to see, because at the end of the day, there's only so much you can do in this truck. You know, you can pick a load up, you can deliver a load, there's things like that, but just tell me what you're thinking and give me some ideas, and that'll help me out a lot. But let's get on to it. Thanks. Yeah, I'm trying to get everything cleaned up. Actually not cleaned up. It's not super dirty in here. But yeah, just trying to get it all picked up. Just a normal thing here. Then I got my hats. These are always, as you watch my videos, you see I wear different hats. This Braves hat here is like my main work hat. This is the one I'll sweat in and get all dirty and stuff. But these are more like the ones when I've, you know, want to dress up a little bit. But I really never wear these when I'm working on the trucks and stuff because they're too expensive and they get dirty. I don't want them to get dirty. Kind of like my dress hats. So I brought some new ones for this time out. So you'll see those. Yeah, but pretty much just getting it ready. I mean, it won't be perfect. Got all my GoPro stuff like that. Not SIM cards, but memory cards and all that good stuff. Usually try to put my GoPro in something like this when it travels so it doesn't you know, get all scratched up and stuff. But anyway, this is it. Going to get the iPad out. I use the iPad, I'll show you. I use the iPad in the truck. Like, I got a big mount. It kind of looks stupid, to be honest with you, how I have it set up right here. But it definitely helps me out a lot. But I'll show you. So, as you can see, this is my Omnitrax Qualcomm, however long you've been trucking, that's what that is. I got a little thing of sticky notes where I write my trips and everything on. And then, like I said, it kind of looks bad because I got this spot right here is for my iPad, and I have a spot right here for my cell phone. And yes, I have another one up here, which I don't know. I don't know why I do that. Sometimes I'll roll with this one, and then sometimes I'll roll with this one. And to be honest with you, I have another phone that I'll put up here that has all my music and stuff saved to it, so I can just run it there instead of having to switch all the music over. It's on YouTube Premium. So, but yeah, this is kind of the setup. And then my waters, and then I have another little Igloo, cooler. You just plug it in. I got it unplugged right now because it's kind of loud and you'd be able to hear it. But yeah, and then got the microwave and my dirty truck as of right now. But storage, refrigerator that is empty, storage below it, that's where I keep all my canned stuff. You know, like raviolis and chili, and I think I got some of those macaroni things you put in. And like I said, the truck's kind of dirty right now, but here's the inside. Let me see if I can shine some light in there for y'all. And yeah, that's just kind of it. I drink, I put a lot of these water additive things because I've been trying to not drink, you know, Pepsi, because I just love Pepsi, and I don't drink coffee, or I don't do any of that, so that was my caffeine source. So when I was out last time, it was the first time I went like the whole month without drinking or consuming any caffeine, which is pretty wild, but I did it. And stayed home, and when I went home, I did the same thing. So yeah, it's pretty much a thing now. Like, I just got to keep drinking these waters and these additives, and it helps me out. And I just drink the water by itself too. But like I said, I already bought this water. I bought this right before I came out. Right before I left for my home time. So yeah, this is the setup. I don't know. I know other drivers have different setups, but that's mine. Let me put the iPad in there and just give you a visual. So yeah, so here's the visual. So like when I'm driving, I have this. I don't know about this. I just got this mount, but I don't know. We'll see what it is. It's either gonna be up there, or might give me some of those different angle of the hood views. And there's my little tripod selfie stick thing that I just got. I think that's gonna help me out a lot instead of trying to mount it. But anyway, back to this. So yes, this is it. So I literally just have this, and I have my cell phone, which I'm using. It goes right here, and then like I said, I put my music right there. And but this, I don't think I could pull it up here right now, but we have our navigation. Yeah, it'll pop up. So that is like the company's navigation that comes into the truck and everything. I use both of them because both of them are wrong. Sometimes this one, the one the company provides, works well, and then but the great thing about this one is the ability just to, everyone knows Google, just to zoom in and kind of see like an entrance you're going into and stuff like that. Oh yeah, this one's already on there. So like I said, well, I haven't told y'all yet. So I got a load from Columbus, Ohio. I'm going down to Dayton, and then I'm going to Hagerstown, Maryland, and it's an ABF. But like right now, I'm at the yard and all this good stuff. Actually, yeah, I'm at the yard. But yeah, kind of this is it. Just the setup of my truck, and this is how I navigate. I know I've seen other people that have these up here, have them like mounted right here. But as you can see, if you have a lot of stuff mounted right here, it's kind of in the way of all your stuff. Of course, these are company spec trucks, so you get the bare minimum on gauges. Like for example, where this Omnitrack sets and all this, if this was like owner op spec, there would be all these other gauges right there. That's how it is in my W900. But yeah, this is the setup. This is how I get going. Of course, it's an automatic, which has its friggin' goods and bads. People like them or don't like them. To me, especially when I'm in a company or when I'm working with a company, my main thing is to make money, and I want to get from A to B. And if they think this is the best way, this is what I use. They're supplying it. They're paying for the fuel. They're doing everything, because I've been on the other side of that. My truck at the house is a 10-speed. But yeah, this is and I'm just like I said, I'm just trying to get around. I got to go to Walmart today and do all that fun stuff, but I'm gonna take y'all with me. This is kind of just day in the life. I mean, I don't know if it's going to be a day in the life, but I'm definitely going to show y'all some ins and outs of what I do other than just runs. I'm going to show the runs too, of course, but yeah, this is it. So this is going to be episode 1. I stay out I'm going to stay out 26 days this time. So episode 1, day 1, or day 1, episode 1, whatever. We'll figure a title out for it down the road. But definitely going to show y'all a little bit different views of what we deal with out here, and get the setup here, and the ins and outs of trucking. But there's a lot of channels. I'm just trying to show you what I deal with, and go from there. But yeah, this is it. We're gonna get rolling and go down here to Walmart or Kroger. I don't know. I have all my other stuff, and we're going to get some cold food and try to stock up for a couple of weeks, because I usually can get that type of stuff in here in a couple weeks. 10 days, 11 days, close to 14 days, and then have to restock because there's only so much room in these little refrigerators. That's why I have the cooler. I can throw some of my stuff there. Like, if I'm going to eat this stuff, I have this, my stuff I'm going to eat here, and then I just have the other one back there with the little freezer, and I throw stuff in there too. But yeah, this is it, and we're going here shortly. So let's get it. Way out here, so no one will block in or anything. We shall see. All right, everyone, I just got done at the Walmart. Got loaded here. Try not to smash that. I got my cooler loaded up. I bought me a couple other things, a few more chips, stuff like that. Nothing crazy, but we're loaded up, ready to go. So I had to go to the Walmart, which I despise. This Walmart in particular had only like 5 or 6 self-checkouts, and it was completely backed up. There was a line going to it. I can't stand Walmarts, but so I get done and there's like 10 lines, you know, and there's one that has a cashier in it, and it's one that used to be like a 10 items or less, I guess that's what it was, but it literally had an area about this big to put all your food and everything. So it was like Jenga. You're just stacking and hoping they don't fall. But it's ridiculous, you know. And I don't use self-checkouts. I don't work at Walmart, you know. So I kind of like, man, I'm not doing that. So I ended up waiting in that line. It's just a thing. I don't like it. I think, you know, I know self-checkouts are good for certain things. You have like 5 items or less. It's awesome. You can go in there, get it, boom, boom. But it's not made to do, you know, a freaking basket full of crap. Because what ends up happening is most of the time is you end up having to get one of those people to come over to scan some crap or unlock it. But anyway, I'm ranting. I just don't like it. I don't think I should have to do it. But anywho, if you like them, hey, that's cool. I don't. But got done there and back at the yard and about to go do some laundry. Call it a day, get me some sleep, and then I'm gonna get up tonight and we rolling. But thanks for watching, and I'll get back at you on the next one.